Wow, I'm so impressed to see the science that has actually gone into this, and with these small missions, what you can actually do. And it's totally fascinating how young our scientists here are. And imagine what an opportunity to be on this first flight of Ariane 6. Imagine being 15 and being part of all this adventure. It's incredible.
It's wonderful. And a big shout out to you guys as you're watching now, getting ready to see your babies being released into space. Getting close now to the upstages, getting ready to deliver our first batch of little spacecraft in just over a minute, our 8 CubeSats.
Exactly, and they, as we said, they sit in the little containers, the deployers, and the doors are still closed. And once they will open, some springs will extend and actually push out our CubeSats into space. So we are crossing fingers for everyone who has a CubeSat, and we'll see space very soon. The upper stage, and we heard that confirmed by the range operations manager, has done the orientation maneuvers that were necessary to be now in the right direction and pointing to where our CubeSats actually need to go. And the APU is switched off in order to avoid that we actually collide with the CubeSats. Very important.
Extinction APU.
Now we have the confirmation. It is actually turned off, the APU. So now our CubeSats are ready to be released.
They're going to be released in 3 waves.
Yeah, first we will see OOV-Cube. Bye-bye, Curium One. Bye-bye, Robusto 3A. And we have initialization of YPSat.
La séquence de séparation des CubeSats.
And Peregrinos. Second separation was CubeCat 4 IST-Sat, GRBBeta. Initialization of SITLOC and Perisat. And the third one was separation of CURIE and Replicator. And since everything happened in 9 seconds, we have the onboard camera here, with a certain delay. So here they go, 1. We obviously can't see all the separations because we have only one camera looking up there.
Big cheers and lots of clapping. Very, very happy faces here in the Jupiter control room.
Début de séparation des CubeSats.
And we have confirmation that all of them were actually separated.
It's very exciting.
Wow, look at this.
I have to tell you that the atmosphere here in the Jupiter Mission Control Center is absolutely electric. People
actually, no one is in their seats anymore. They're all standing up there.
Yeah, clapping, some whooping, absolutely over the moon.
This is a remarkable achievement for all the teams. Hats off to all involved getting this far on the first flight. Congratulations to Ariane Group, CNES, ESA teams, and all the partners involved in all the 13 countries in Europe. This is really something to be proud of. Give your families a huge hug for supporting the tensions and the years of hard work.
Absolutely. Indeed, years of hard work, problems solved, sleepless nights endured, kilos of coffee drunk.
Exactly. A lot of time also without the people who were actually here on site in Kourou preparing this launch, being away from their families. So thanks to everyone out there supporting this.
Absolutely. So we still have 2 more passengers on board, and we are going to be releasing them. They are our 2 re-entry capsules. Tina, do you want to tell us a bit more about those?
Yes, so these capsules, they will actually test the technology for returning to Earth through our planet's atmosphere. And it will take now over an hour and a half to get actually to this next bus stop where we want to release them. And they will be seeing the heat of re-entry once they are released from the upper stage. And we will reignite the Vinci engine once more because we will deorbit and leave no space debris out there. So for sustainability reasons, Ariane 6 is actually designed to clear up the orbit and re-enter after the end of the mission.
Very important. What goes up must come down.
And we actually do come down in the South Pacific, 1,500 kilometers from inhabited areas. So it's the spot with the least populated spot on Earth. Yeah, it's called the Nemo Point, actually.
Aha,